What's up, guys? Welcome back to the House Extras. In the continuation of the bowling ball tournament, we have the Infinity versus the Dark Web Hybrid, which means we are doing the hybrid bowling ball matchup today and the start of the hybrid bowling ball section of the bowling ball tournament. The reason I picked the Dark Web Hybrid out of all the hybrid bowling balls that we make is because it's one of the staples in my bag right now. It's that upper piece that's a little slower. Down lane and doesn't hook so early for me. I would say it gives me the most like urethane type shape where it's like slower down lane, it doesn't get a huge kick to the right and it doesn't make me play fourth arrow. So it's a staple in my bag right now. And as you guys might be able to see, there's still lines on this bowling ball. Which means I've thrown it literally the 3 shots in warm up that I got. Oh, all right. Oh, so bad. So bad. Need a little heel adjustment. We were bowling this weekend at the Lucy. They're a little tacky, and what I do when they're tacky is I switch my heels, the stickier one for the slicker, still sticky, but slicker of the two. And now that I'm bowling on a little less humid building, probably need to switch back. Went from really slick to pretty sticky. Last one with the Infinity went a little bit light. It's just a 2-in-1 to the left here, keeping a little more rotation than I usually have on it. I would say both of these balls right now, from what I'm seeing, are pretty similar in terms of shape. The Dark Web Hybrid is a little less overall hook, but a similar smooth shape that I'm getting out of the two of them. 2 frames in, I'm a perfect 4 for 4, and now I want you guys to pick and see which ball you think is gonna win. Let me know down below in the comments, and if you've been keeping track overall, let me know what your overall record is so far for the tournament. I know there's a lot of losers because I currently have a losing record, so I will let you know right now. I think this ball is gonna win just because I've thrown this one the most. So I have a little bit more confidence in what the ball is gonna do. The Infinity is just a little bit of an unknown piece. And if you guys want, don't forget, click that subscribe button because we're giving away 3 bowling balls once we get to 10,000 subscribers and we finish this bowling ball tournament. So stay tuned for that and click the subscribe button if you haven't already, because I know who you are. You're right here, and right here, and right here. Let's get back into throwing these shots. Bang, bang. Bang! So with the Dark Web Hybrid, I'm standing 15, looking at 13, probably hitting around 15 or 16 at the arrows. And with this piece, I'm just a 2 and 2 to the right, or a 3 and 2 to the right, where I'm standing 18 and I'm looking at 15. A little more overall hook from the Infinity. That one was a little in, not my best shot, but it held on, still struck, and they're both 3 for 3. Still going 15 to 13 with some rotation. Oh, that's in too. Ah, not my best, not my best. All right, chance for the Infinity to take the lead. That's in again. Aye, aye, aye. Did the same thing with both balls. When I'm trying to rotate a little bit, usually the miss in doesn't work. Last 2 shots, no good on the miss in. Got a max score of 278 with the Infinity and a max score of 279 with the Dark Web Hybrid. Hook! Lucky shot. Now my mom's laughing at me. Throw better shots. Oh! Trip 6, which means I probably have to move a little bit. I threw that one really good. It was the right speed, it was the right rotation. Probably just gotta move a little bit on the lanes. Since I'm moving with the Infinity, I'm also actually gonna move with this one. I'm just gonna move 1 with this one. I'm in like that tough in-between zone with the Web Tour Hybrid where I feel like if I stay left, I'll have to throw it a little harder. And if I move to where I just did, I might 7-pin or have to throw it slower. So usually what works best for me is throwing it slower, so that's what I'm gonna do next shot. And with that, I think I also need to throw this one a little slower. I'm gonna move 2 with a little less ball speed. Hook. Not quite a low enough ball speed. I moved 1 with the Dark Web Hybrid, I moved 2 with the Infinity. I think I should probably just move 1 with the Infinity, so I'm gonna go back 1 left on the next shot. And this Dark Web Hybrid needs a little bit lower of a ball speed. So that was a much better shot. The slower ball speed helped it hook a little earlier and continue a little more down lane. So I'm gonna try the same move with the Infinity, because the last one, Bucket Crumbler, yeah, not my best. So again, I'm not moving 1 more, I'm just going 1 back to the left a little closer to it. Keep the ball speed the same though. I said these balls are very similar after the first couple shots. Obviously, standing true with a very similar result through 7 frames. 279 with the Dark Web Hybrid, 278 with the Infinity. I am really liking the Infinity though, because I feel like these balls are different enough where I could bring them both to a tournament. Maybe I'd hit the Infinity with a little more surface, and maybe I'd keep this the way it is. That way I'd have a ball that hooks a little more, a ball that hooks a little less. This one's a little cleaner, the Infinity hooks a little earlier. At least I'd have 2 different pieces if I wanted to bring them both to tournaments. Bang! Bang, 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 bang! All right, that shot was a little in, but still a good one. When you do the right thing with your hand and the right thing with your ball speed, a lot of times it gives you a little bit of miss room, which obviously I have, with that one being a little in, the last one being a little left, they both struck. I'm creating a little more room with this one as well. Oh my, I almost 9-pinned with both of them. Back-to-back shots, I almost 9-pinned both times. Good thing it was almost. Frame 9, coming up. I missed it. I missed it at the bottom. A little too much up the back on that one. I've been trying to get a little more around it this game with both balls, and I just missed up the back, and the ball didn't keep coming around the corner. It kind of straightened out down lane. The goal is to get my hand in the right spot again, because I talked about being in the right spot and then it wasn't in the right spot, so let's get it back in the right spot with the Infinity. That ball looked good. Both these balls look good. I got 278 left with the Infinity and 258 left with this Web Tour Hybrid. So right now, for this Web Tour Hybrid to have a chance, it needs to double to force the Infinity to get the first one. So let's throw a better shot here. Get my hand in the right place. If I just throw shots like that, oh my God, I thought that was so much better. If I just throw shots like that. Spare there still forces the Infinity to keep a clean 10th frame. In the middle of the game, I said the options were either moving right or moving a little left and throwing it harder. So now, I don't know if I ran out of room to the right or if I just rolled 2 in a row and didn't really get my hand in the right spot, but I'm gonna move left. I'm gonna go about 4 left with my feet and throw it probably 2 miles an hour harder. Not my best shot, however, I still probably don't think that's the answer. My guess is it doesn't really help that the Infinity has a little more surface on it and I'm playing just slightly inside of the Dark Web Hybrid. So I'm kind of killing that miss room in. Anytime I get my ball a little bit up the back, it's obviously gonna roll out. Maybe even if I get my ball around if I get my hand around the side of it, it'll probably corner too hard. It might have just been time to make a bigger move, deeper inside, even slower speed. But anyways, enough with that ball. This one's gotta stay clean in the 10th. Strike to claim it, strike to claim it. Strike to claim it, oh! Oh! Let's see if I can shoot 278. It's only got 1 miss and it was because I threw it really, really bad. So let's see if I can give it 1 more good shot here. I'm gonna move 2 just to see. give it a little more space. Ah, all right. I'll take 260, I'll take it. Well, that's it, guys. I shot 267 with the Infinity, 244 with the Dark Web Hybrid. Both balls I'm probably bringing to a lot of tournaments because very good tournament balls. They're smoother, they're predictable, they're exactly what I look for as a ball to add to my bag. So both these are going in the tournament bag, but the Infinity is the one that's moving on versus either the Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid or the Game Breaker 4 Hybrid. So you guys stay tuned for that and follow along for more videos like this one. If you guys like these videos and want to see more techie ball kind of reviews, you just let me know what balls you guys want to see in the upcoming videos. And until the next one, peace.